What is that, Reese? What's that one? What is that? What's the lion say? Yeah. Where does he go? Where's the elephant? Do you see the elephant?
Look, match the picture. Look, see, look. Hey, this is a lion. Where's the lion? Is that a lion? Yeah. So you match them up. There you go.
Do you see the zebra? Where's the zebra? Find it. Where's the zebra? Where's the ostrich? Where's the ostrich? Yeah. Where's the crocodile? Where's the crocodile? What does he say? Yeah. What does the elephant say? Yeah. What's the giraffe say? What does he say? He doesn't make any noise, does he? No. Can you sing a song for me?
You silly. Yeah. Can you count to 20 with me? 1, 2, okay. 3. No. You say 8. 8. What about 18? You say 20? Can you say 10?
What's that one? What's that? What is that? What's that one? What animal is that? Crocodile. Crocodile. What's he say? He's upside down. He's upside down.
I think Morgan's had enough cooking, so we may see if they want to go out somewhere.
Well, we may get something. What if we did like a pizza or something?
Yeah, no matter.
Brought it back.
There's a zebra.
She's difficult to take to a restaurant.
What's that? What's that one? What's that one, Reese?
It's just easier to get her.
What's that one? It's what? What's that one? What's that? Mm-hmm.
Hey, you are a turkey.
You can ask Brittany what their house hunting plans are, and then you can fill me in.
Maybe. What?
Boo. Hi, Reese. What's your name?